Hello everyone, welcome to Litty's Poetic World. Today I have come with a poem, The Lovebirds in my class. As a teacher, I have witnessed several pupils before me, and among them, very interesting too, the lovebirds in my class. They sat adjacent to each other. They seemed innocent within each other. They disguised as common to each other. They convinced me that they neglect each other. I realized that I could act better than others. So you can decide who is the deceiving one. This is another poem. It is about my beloved Krishna. Actually, I attempted to draw a picture of him. My Krishna. He has a big face smiling. When I draw, I was smiling. I don't want to change my setting since Krishna's face is big and smiling. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.